Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's so good to be here again.
It is. How are you doing today, Paul?
I'm feeling great, thank you. I had a very nice weekend.
Oh, me too. My weekend was wonderful.
That's fantastic. And I think that is our topic today, right?
Yes, exactly. Today, we are going to talk about the weekend.
The weekend, my favorite topic.
Me too. We will learn some easy English words to talk about what we did on Saturday and Sunday.
That sounds very useful. It's a very common question.
It is. But wait, before we start, we have a small request for everyone listening.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast, please take a moment to give us a like. It really helps us.
And please subscribe to Mr. English Channel so you don't miss our new episodes.
And share this with your friends who are learning English. Your support is amazing.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, Paul, let's talk about the weekend.
I'm ready. So, Emily, I must ask you, how was your weekend?
It was really nice, thank you. It was a busy weekend.
Busy. Oh. What did you do on Saturday?
Well, on Saturday morning, my family and I went to the shopping mall.
The shopping mall. I like the mall.
Me too. It was fun.
Did you buy new clothes or new shoes?
No. We did not buy anything. We just walked.
Just walking and looking. That is called window shopping.
Window shopping. Yes, that's what we did. We looked at the shops.
That is still fun.
It is. And we had ice cream.
Ice cream. Now that is a good Saturday. What flavor?
Chocolate, of course.
Of course. The best flavor. A perfect choice.
I think so. So, we walked, we talked, and we ate ice cream. It was a good morning.
That sounds lovely.
What about you, Paul? What did you do on Saturday morning?
My Saturday was very different. I did not go to the mall.
Oh, where did you go?
I went to the park.
The park. That sounds wonderful.
It was beautiful. The weather was perfect. It was sunny and warm.
Ah, a perfect day for the park.
Yes, I went with my family, and I rode my bicycle.
You have a bicycle? That's great.
I do. It's an old blue bicycle, but I love it.
Old bicycles are sometimes the best.
I agree. And my son, he has a small red bicycle, so we rode our bikes together.
Aw, that is so sweet. Riding bikes in the park.
Yes, it is good exercise and it's very fun.
It really is.
After we rode our bikes, we sat on the grass. We just relaxed.
That sounds very peaceful.
It was. It's nice to be outside in nature.
So I was at the busy mall and you were at the quiet park.
Yes, a very different morning.
What about Saturday night? Did you relax?
Saturday night? Oh, no. Saturday night was not relaxing.
Really? Why not?
My Saturday night was loud.
Loud? Oh, did you go to a concert?
No, not a concert. We went to a party.
A party. I love parties. That sounds fun.
It was fun, but it was a kid's party.
Oh, a child's birthday party.
Yes, exactly. My nephew's birthday. He is 5 years old now.
How wonderful. 5 years old is a fun age.
It is, but so much energy.
I understand. Were there many children?
So many children. They were running and playing games and shouting.
And balloons?
Yes, many, many balloons. And the best part? A very big cake.
Cake. What kind of cake?
A big chocolate cake.
Wow, chocolate ice cream for me and chocolate cake for you.
It was a good weekend for chocolate.
It sounds like a very happy party.
It was very happy, but very noisy. I was tired after the party.
I am sure. My Saturday night was very, very different.
Oh? What did you do?
My night was very quiet.
Quiet is good too, especially after a loud party.
Yes, my husband and I went to a restaurant for dinner.
Ooh, a nice dinner. That sounds romantic.
It was just nice and peaceful.
What kind of food did you eat?
We had sushi.
Sushi. Wow. I love sushi.
Me too. We went to a small Japanese restaurant. It was delicious.
That sounds perfect. A sushi night.
Yes, it was very relaxing. We just talked and ate wonderful food.
That is a great Saturday night.
So, your night was loud with cake, and my night was quiet with sushi.
Yes, two very different but very good Saturday nights.
Exactly. So, that was Saturday. What about Sunday, Paul?
Ah, Sunday. Sunday was a day of rest.
Oh, good. After the party, you needed to rest.
Yes, I did. My Sunday was very lazy.
Lazy Sundays are the best Sundays.
I agree, 100%.
So, what did you do on your lazy day?
Well, first, I stayed in my pajamas for a very long time.
That is the perfect way to start a Sunday.
Yes. And in the afternoon, we just stayed home.
That's nice. Just relax at home.
Yes. We watched movies with the family.
Oh, movies. I love that. What movie did you watch?
We watched a funny movie. A comedy.
A comedy is perfect for a family afternoon.
It was. We laughed a lot.
Did you eat popcorn? You must have popcorn for a movie.
Of course. We made a big, big bowl of popcorn.
Perfect.
And after the children went to bed, my wife and I watched a show.
A show? You mean a TV series?
Yes, a series. We are watching a new one. It is very interesting.
That sounds like a perfect, relaxing Sunday.
It was. A day of rest. What about your Sunday, Emily?
My Sunday was also very peaceful.
Oh, good.
In the morning, we went to church.
Ah, a nice Sunday morning routine.
Yes, we like to go every Sunday. It was very nice.
That's wonderful.
It's a quiet time to think and to be thankful.
Thankful?
Yes, to thank God for our life and for our family and for the good week.
That is a beautiful thought, Emily.
And it helps me feel ready for the new week. I feel calm.
Calm. That is a great feeling.
Yes, I feel peace in my heart.
That is the best way to start a new week.
I think so. So, after church, we went home.
And did you rest like me?
Yes. First, we had a big Sunday lunch.
A Sunday lunch with the family.
Yes, it was delicious. And then, in the afternoon, I rested.
Did you watch a movie?
Not in the afternoon. I read a book.
Ah, reading. That is very relaxing.
It is. I love to read. But in the evening,
Yes?
we did watch a movie.
See? Sunday is movie day.
It is. It was a great day. A morning for church and an afternoon for rest.
Wow, we had very good weekends, Emily.
We really did. And we used a lot of great, easy English words.
We did. So the number one question is, how was your weekend?
Yes, and you can answer, it was great,
Or, it was busy.
or it was relaxing.
And we talked about what we did. We used the past tense.
Yes, I said, I went to the mall.
And I said, I rode my bicycle.
And for Saturday night,
I went to a party.
and I had sushi.
And on Sunday, I watched movies.
And I went to church and read a book.
And we both...
We both rested.
Rest is a very important word for Sunday.
It is. This was a great chat, Paul. I loved hearing about your weekend.
Me too, Emily. It was so nice. And wow, look at the time.
Oh my, time flies when we are talking.
It does. I can't believe it's almost the end of the episode.
I know. Well, thank you to everyone for listening today.
Yes, thank you so much. We hope you learned some new English words for talking about the weekend.
And now you can practice. You can ask your friends, how was your weekend?
That's right. And please, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Channel.
And if you liked this episode and found it helpful, please give us a big like.
And share it with your friends and family who are learning English.
Yes, please do. And we have a question for you.
We do. We want you to practice.
In the comments below, please tell us, how was your weekend?
Yes. What did you do? Did you go to the park? Did you watch a movie? Did you rest?
We love, love, love reading your answers in English.
It's our favorite part. Thank you so much for listening, everyone.
Thank you. It was a pleasure, Paul.
The pleasure was all mine, Emily. Until next time.
Bye for now.